Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker BBIG or Vinco Ventures. So one of the latest news stories here in TD Ameritrade is talking about Vinco Ventures adding one more co-CEO and also receiving NASDAQ deficiency notice. So in addition, Vinco Ventures has received a deficiency notice from NASDAQ regarding failure to comply with the requirement to timely file quarterly report on Form 10-Q. So let's take a look here, a little more detail. So Vinco Ventures announces receipt of deficiency notice from NASDAQ regarding failure to comply with requirement to timely file quarterly report on Form 10-Q. Says that the company announced that it received a notice from the Listing Qualifications Department of the NASDAQ advising Vinco Ventures that it was not in compliance with NASDAQ's continued listing requirements under the NASDAQ listing rule of 5250C1. And it says, as a result of its failure to file its quarterly report on Form 10-Q for the quarter ended June 30th, 2022, with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, in a timely manner. So the deadline was August 22nd here, and it says companies filing a Form 12B-25, which provided a short extension of the otherwise August 15th deadline. So it says the rule requires listed companies to timely file all required periodic reports with the SEC. So under NASDAQ rules, Vinco has 60 calendar days from the receipt of the notice or until October 17th, 2022 to submit a plan to regain compliance with the rule. If NASDAQ accepts Vinco's plan, NASDAQ may grant Vinco up to another 180 calendar days from the due date of Form 10-Q or until February 13th, 2023 to regain compliance. In response to the notice, Vinco intends to file Form 10-Q as promptly as possible in order to regain compliance with the rule and will submit a plan of compliance as required by the rule. So let's take a look here at some of the price action, and it's been a few days since I made an update. I think in my last video I was talking about the earnings that kind of disappeared and got delayed, but in that video I was talking about price action, and I was talking about a key level around the 95-cent mark. And I said in that video, if we got a close below the 95-cent level, that we were coming down to test 88 cents. And we got that. So you can see right here, we were hovering above the 96-cent mark, and then we made that move below, and we came all the way down to actually 86.5 cents. So it went a little bit below that 88-cent mark, but we did get that challenge. The sellers did challenge that area of 88 cents. Made a little rally there, and then just started to sputter out again. So taking a look at where we sit right now on the 15-minute, I do have my eye up here around this area of about 98 cents. You can see we got two rejections of that in after-hours trading yesterday, so that looks pretty key to me. I think if we can get a rally above that 98-cent level and get a close above that level, I can definitely see this thing coming up here and challenging this area of about $1.02. And then to the downside, we did get a good bounce here in regular trading hours off of the 92-cent level. So that looks key. I think if the sellers can get it below 92 cents, close it below that level here on the 15-minute time frame, I think we're probably going to come down here and retest the low you're seeing on the chart of 86.5 cents. So there's some key prices I'm looking at to the upside and the downside for ticker BBIG or Vinco Ventures. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.